Hello everyone and welcome to the workshop. Now, a couple of weeks ago, a good friend of mine gave me this pair of Murphy televisions. So these are V230 receivers from 1954, and it was one of the first carry-around portable televisions that were available on the market, as you can see, like so. Now, I don't know anything about these. One is in much better condition than the other one. This one's quite rough looking, so this will probably be a bit of a spare set. This one, however, looks reasonably clean. So what I'm going to do today is power this up and see if there's any signs of life.